Today I'm making mini cauldrons. First in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of chocolate cake mix. Next I'm going to add 1 egg and 1 stick of melted butter. Then mix that up until the dough forms. Next I have a mini muffin pan with liners in it. I'm going to scoop the dough into the liners and then bake this at 350 for 12 minutes. Once they come out of the oven, use the back of a teaspoon to make wells in each muffin. While the cauldron cups are cooling, I'm going to make the filling, so in a bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Then add 2 teaspoons of almond extract. Next add a few drops of green food coloring. Next add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Then mix that up until it's combined. Now I add the cool cauldrons onto a tray and I added the filling into a piping bag and I'm going to fill each one. Next I'm going to sprinkle some Halloween sprinkles on top. Next I have a pretzel stick. I'm going to break it in half and add a half into each cauldron. Here's an up close look of the mini cauldrons.